Hello students, in this video we will discuss one of the important managerial decision areas, that is pricing. Pricing is one of the important managerial decision area which plays a significant role in increasing the economic growth of the business, expansion of the business, profitability of the business, and also effect on various business activities. So here every business need to understand and study the various factors which are directly or indirectly influence the pricing. So fixing the price of the product for is very important for every business. So based on the competition in the market, based on the customers expectations, based on the nature of the product and quality of the product, quantity that we are producing, and most importantly that the cost of the production. So they are the various factors that are taken into consider while fixing the price of a product. So managerial economist has to study, or producer has to study all these areas in order to fix the price for a product. The price of the product is nothing but it is the value of the product. The value of the product. How you are increasing the value of the product, or how you are increasing the price of the product, the profitability position of the business will also be increased. And if you are reducing the price of the product or value of the product, proportionately the value of the business or profitability of the business will also decrease. See here, it plays that much significant role. So completely the business activities or the life is based on the price of the product or the service that they are producing. So it is a very important aspect or the managerial decision area where the managerial economist can take into consider while taking the decision. So here, while taking the decision on pricing, the managerial economist should apply the managerial economic technique, that is pricing strategies or pricing methods, in order to give the best price for the product, which will give the fruitful results, which will helps to increase the business performance, helps to increase the profitability of the business. Now let us see the simple definition for the pricing. That is, here pricing is the process of, it is the process of whereby a business sets the price at which it will sell its products and services, and may be a part of the business marketing plan. What is price? The pricing is the process whereby a business sets the price. Pricing nothing but it is a process of fixing or setting the price at which it will sell its products and services and may be a part of business marketing plan. For example, here we are producing product A. And I am fixing or setting the price. This product is as 100 rupees. This is called as price. Price nothing but it is the value of the product. It is the value of the product. There is a difference between the price and cost. There is a difference between the price and cost. Price is the value of the product. Generally, value of product. Cost is the total cost of production. Generally, in the market, the people will ask, what is the cost of the product? What is the cost of the product? It is wrong. It is not the cost of the product, that is the price of the product or value of the product. Whenever you go to the market, whenever you go to the shop, whenever you go to anywhere in the market to buy the product or the services, you should ask what is the price of the product, but not the cost of the product. What is cost of the product? Cost of the product is the total cost of the product, total cost of the production. But whereas the price of the product is the value of the product, which includes cost plus margin, that equal to price. There is a difference between price and cost. Of course, sometimes the total cost equal to the price, that will print on the product, but here the cost not always equals to the price, but it includes some margin that is equal to the value of the product. Simply we can say that pricing is a process of fixing the value for the product which will be sell in the market. It is the process of setting the price for the services which will be selling the market. It may be the marketing plan or maybe the manager's plan, whatever the plan it is. So wholly it is called a business plan. It is a business's plan. If the business wants to maximize the profits, they will increase the price of the product and vice versa. Of course, even every business having intention to increase the profitability of the business, but due to some factors, here they may not able to fix the high price for the product. That may be the because of competition in the market, or the alternative products, or cost of the production, or any other reasons. Sometimes they may not fix more price on the product in order to increase more and more profits. But here fixing the price is a very important aspect or the managerial decision area which will change the life of the business, performance of the business, profitability of the business. And if the price is not fixing properly for the products that we are producing, sometimes the business may be shut down, the business may be closed. So that much significance has the price for the products in the business. So any producer or any managerial economist in the business or the company should take utmost care while fixing the products price for the products or the services that they are producing. So price is a very important concept or the aspect or the business decision area which plays a significant role in any business, in every business. So formulating pricing policies and setting the price is a very important aspects of managerial decision making. If you are not taking the good decision, if you are not formulating the pricing policies in proper manner in the business, you may not survive in the market for a long period. Therefore, fixing the prices, formulating the pricing policies are very important in any business. And price is one of the source of the revenue. Of course, there are various sources in the business to procure the capital, to procure the investments, but here the price is one of the internal source of the revenue which the firm seeks to maximize. It is also used to expand its markets. If you just decrease the price of the product, automatically you may grab the market in order to expand the business, in order to explore the business. Therefore, the maximum you may acquire more and more profits in order to expand or explore the business activities in the business. So pricing is the process where the business sets the price at which it will sell its products and services, and it may be the part of a business marketing plan. It may be the part of the business marketing plan. In setting the prices, while setting the prices, business will take into account the different factors. So simply like setting the price for the product or fixing the price for product is not enough, not good. So here, while fixing the price of the product, we need to consider various factors. Here the very important factors that every business person or the producer or the managerial economist considered as. Here the first and foremost important factor is the cost of production. The cost of the production. What is the total cost of the production, both fixed and variable cost? So this is one of the most important factor that influence fixing the price of a product. Here more the cost of the production, more the price of the product, high the price of the product. So based on the cost of the production, the price may be fixed by the business producer. So here the cost of the production includes raw material cost, wages, salaries to the employees, fuel that they are using, technology that they are using, machinery that they are using to produce the product, and all other direct and indirect expenses of the business, or the indirect cost of the production. So here at the time of fixing the product price, we need to consider different factors. This is one of the most important factor that we need to consider while fixing the product. Apart from this cost of the production internally, and external factors also will influence the price of the product that we are producing. That is alternative products in the market. So alternative products and its prices, alternative products and its prices also influence the price of our product. If any product is there in the market which will give the same satisfaction to the customers, so that product price also influence the price of our product which we are producing. And government policies also from the externally influencing the price of our product. The brand, goodwill of the company, quality that we are producing, quality of product that we are producing influence quantity, the total quantity, that the quantity of output that we are producing. So because here based on the total production, we require to calculate the average cost of the production. Accordingly, we will take the decision on price of the product. So the total number of units that we are producing is also one of the important factor that we consider at the time of fixing the product. And competition in the market. This is also important. More the competition, less the price for the product, and vice versa. If there is more and more competition in the market and more alternative products are available in the market, we require to reduce the price of the product in order to compete with the different products. And market conditions, most importantly customers purchasing power. Customers purchasing power is also one of the important factor considered while fixing the price of the product. So there are the different factors that are directly or indirectly influencing the price of our product, such as cost of the production or manufacturing, alternative products and its prices, government policies, brand of our product, goodwill of our company. So based on goodwill of the business, goodwill of the company also, we may fix price for the product. More the goodwill for our business in the market or company in the market, more the price for our product. Quality of the product that we are producing, quantity of the output that we have produced, competition in the market, monopoly, monopolistic, oligopoly, perfect competition. So based on the structure of the market, also we will fix the price for our product, market conditions, and here the customers purchasing power is also one of the important factor. For example, you are fixing 100 rupees, as price for the product, but the customers are having the purchasing power only 90 rupees. Here this is customers purchasing power. Customer purchasing power is 90 rupees, but you are fixing 90 rupees, therefore there is no demand for our product. Hence automatically the demand for our product will decrease. See, while fixing the price of the product, we also conduct some investigation or the inquiry or the survey in the market in order to get such kind of informations, in order to fix the price for a product. So here pricing is the process of setting the price for the products and services which we are producing in the business, whether it is service or the products. So what is the purpose of this pricing? What is the objective of pricing? So the objective of this pricing is, most importantly, that is maximize the profits. This is first and foremost important objective of pricing, that is increase or maximize the profits. Let us see what are the different, so they are the different factors that are influencing the price of the product directly or indirectly at the time of fixing the price, right? Now let us see what are the objectives. Or what is the purpose of pricing, significance of pricing. The first and foremost important objective of pricing is that to maximize the profits. Yes, as I said, price of the product is one of the source of revenue. If you are increasing the price of the product, automatically increase the profitability position of the business. So here, if you want to increase or maximize the profits of the business, you need to take the right decision at the right time, at the right place for the right product in the business. If you are not taking the decisions properly for the right product at the right price, so the profitability position of the business will be declined. So here price is one of the important factor in maximizing the profitability of the business, and it is also to increase the sales, Yes, pricing will also increase the sales. See, the price of the product is at 100 rupees, where the quantity demand is 100 units in the market. Due to the competition, there is a product A, the price of the product is 100 and the demand for the product is 100 units. Due to the competition in the market, there are alternative products are there, competition is more in the market, and due to many other factors, here the demand for the product is only 100 units. If you want to increase the demand of the product, means that if you want to increase the sales of the product, if you decrease the price of the product to 95 rupees, automatically there is a elastic in demand, it may be increased to 150 units. So this is possible. Increasing the demand for the product or increasing in the sales of a product is possible only by fixing the price of the product, whether it is increased or decreased. Generally, if you decrease the price of the product, automatically the demand for the product will increase, because there is a negative relationship. So if you want to increase the sales for our product, the sales of the business or the sale of the product in the market, we require to take the suitable decision on price. We should not fix the high price for our products or services in order to reject by the customers. And also we require to see that the customers purchasing power, the customers expectations and their income level, everything will be considered while fixing the price in order to increase the sales. This is also one of the important objective of the pricing, that is to increase the sales of the business in order to maximize the profit and to increase the market share, to increase the market share. See, so apart from our product or the service or the business, there are many business are there in the market. There are many products are there in the market and services which will give the same satisfaction, which will give the same services to the customers. Here, to get the more attention towards our products, we will do something. Among those, here fixing the suitable price is one of the most important factor. If you focus on price of the product, automatically you may attract the more and more market in order to increase the customers. Here, increasing market share means increasing the customers for our products. So this is possible either through the brand or the service or the quality or any other factor. Apart from all these, the price is a very important factor that will increase the customers for our product. Less the price of the product, more the market share, and vice versa. So if you want to increase the market share, the pricing is also one of the important factor. Means here increasing the market share is also one of the objective of pricing. Increase the price of the product, decrease the market share, decrease the price of the product, increase the market share. There is a negative relationship between these two. And apart from this, increasing the market share, it is also used to satisfy the customers. Yes, satisfy the customer. Satisfying the customers is also one of the important factor or objective of pricing. So here every business in the market must satisfy the customers. If you are not able to satisfy the customers, automatically the customers may not purchase our product. When the customers will satisfy, whenever the business or the producer fix the suitable price that is available to the customers, then only they will satisfy with the product. So whenever the customers will satisfy, automatically the market share of the business will also increase. The demand for our product will increase. The service of our business will also increase. So here the increasing the satisfaction levels of the customers in the market is also one of the objective of pricing. For example, here there is a product A. The price of the product is 50 rupees. The price of the product is 50 rupees. And where there is a customer who is called B, the income level of the customer is only 40 rupees. Only 40 rupees. So here based on the customer's income level, customer's purchasing power, you need to fix the price of the product. Of course, they may not possible to fix the less price compared to other products, but here in this case, if you want to satisfy the customers, you have to decrease the price of the product. You have to decrease the price of the product in order to attract the customers, in order to satisfy the customers. So here you may reduce the profit margin in order to fix the price to reduce the price to 40 rupees. Then automatically the customers will purchase our product in order to satisfy. When the customer satisfies with the price of the product compared to the quality, quantity, brand and other features of the product, then automatically the demand for our product will increase. This is also one of the objective of pricing, that is to satisfy the customers in the market. And this pricing is also having the objective with to meet competition to meet the competition in the market. So pricing is also used to meet the competition in the market. This is also one of the objective. While fixing the price of the product, we also consider what is the competition, whether it is perfect competition, monopoly competition, or monopolistic competition, oligopoly competition. What is that competition? What is the structure of market? So we need to understand and study the structure of the market in order to take the decision on pricing. This is also one of the important. If it is monopoly market, we will fix the price as our wish. If it is perfect competition market, we need to consider the other products prices in order to fix the price, in order to satisfy the customers. If it is monopolistic competition, we will take some other decisions on pricing. So based on the structure of the market, available, the form of markets available, accordingly we need to fix the price in order to meet the competition. If we are increasing more and more price for our products and services compared to the alternative companies, alternative products and services, automatically you may not able to compete. The other companies in the market. If you want to meet the competition, if you want to face the competition, if you want to run the business in that competition for a long period, you have to fix the suitable price for the product. So that is also one of the objective of pricing. See, there are many companies are there in the market which will produce the same products. For example, telecom. If you take telecom, here there are various networks: Idea, Vodafone, Airtel, and others. There are many companies are there which are providing the network in these phones, network services. So here still Jio has entered into the market in order to grab the entire market almost. So once the Jio has entered in the market, so at that time all these network services are got alerted. So here at the time of entering into the market, entered in the market, here Jio has given the service at free of cost. He has not charged anything for the service providing by the Jio, because if we charge something on this network for the service, automatically he may not able to stand in the market. He may not able to compete with the competitors in the market like Idea, Vodafone, Airtel, all other existing networks in the market. So here competing or meeting the competition in the market is also one of the most important factor, and pricing is also playing a significant role in meeting the competition, right? Face the competition in the market. That is also one of the objective of pricing. And to meet the financial goals, or objective. Generally, what is the goal of financial goal of business? What is the goal of business respect to the finance? That is profit maximization. So this is also one of the objective of pricing, that is maximizing the profits. So in that case also the pricing will play a significant role. And maximizing the value of the firm. Maximizing the value of the firm. So maximizing the value of the firm is also one of the objective of pricing. More the price, here the value of the firm will increase. And sometimes even you are not fixing the high price for the product, due to more demand at less price, also maximize the value of the firm. Here maximizing the value of the firm is not only in terms of money or money's character, financial character, but sometimes the goodwill of the company also one of the like asset of the business. So even if you increased the goodwill of the company due to this price, automatically that will helps to the business to increase the growth of the business in the future in order to maximize in terms of financial matter also. So the pricing is also one of pricing will consider the maximizing value of the firm as one of the important objectives which will be satisfied. So and others apart from these based on the nature, size of the business, operational activities of the business, scale of the business, and so on. All these are various factors that are influencing directly or indirectly on fixing the price. So pricing is also take all these various factors in order to increase or maximize based on the requirement. So they are the sum of the objectives of pricing, such as maximize the profits, to increase the sales, to increase the market share, to satisfy the customers, to meet the competition, and to meet the financial goals of the business, to maximize the value of the firm, and others if any. They are the objectives of pricing.